Okay, hello Dog Vlog. I'm going to ask you a few questions, you answer them. First question, how does it feel to be internet famous?
Well, I am very grateful for all of it, especially that I got 100 million in views last night, and I am so grateful to be more famous than Charli D'Amelio.
Okay, it's very inspiring for the little ones watching this. Okay, next question. Everybody wants to know this. What is your real name?
Vlog Dog, of course. What else would it be?
Oh, your real name. Like, actual name.
You mean my real name?
Yep.
My real name is... Continued!